Hi guys! Good morning! 15 na namin today sa El Nido and mag-tutorbi kami ngayong araw. So yung mga pupuntahan namin, magsi-Snake Island kami, Kudugnon Cave, Papaya Island, Cathedral Cave, and Intalula Cave. Yun guys, sa update ko kayo later kung may changes sa itinerary namin. So magpe-prepare na kami and bababa kasi yung pickup is 8:30 to 9. So na yung sundo namin guys. Punta na kami ng town proper. Last tour? Saya ka ba last tour? Hindi ka pa. Bakit na pagkanahan?
Ano ng boat natin?
Sensi.
Wait lang tayo dito sa
Ah, dito na kami. Okay.
wala pa kang binigay sa amin si ano? Walang tawid na.
Nag-register ka?
Oo. Pangalan mo.
Alok pala nito. Sa wakas, sasakay na kami ng bangka. 1.5 kami nag-antay yan. Tagal ngayon. Hey guys, sakay na kami. Ah, marami rin pala tayo.
Ito lang yan. Parang yung kahapon. Yan yung pangalan mo sa pangalawang akot.
Saint C.
Tayo sa rice sa dulo tayo.
Ah, sige.
Give you a short briefing regarding to our tour for today. So, everyone, good morning. Good morning. Yes, nice energy. So, good morning and welcome aboard and welcome to our company, the Dos Hermanos Travel and Tours. So, you are on board on Saint C boat. So, don't forget our boat name because later at the island, there's a lot of boat. Same color, same size, same number, and same name. So don't forget the name of our boat. What is the name of our boat again?
Saint C.
Yes. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. By the way, my name is John. I'll be your guide, and our crew of the boat, Kuya Dennis. And Kuya Roger. Yes. And Kuya Dudoy. Hello. And the most important person here in the boat, Captain Tuto. Captain Tuto. Yes. So, aka Captain Jack Sparrow for today. Yes. So, everyone are going to tour A.
Oh.
No?
Oh, B.
I'm just kidding. So everyone are going to tour B, right?
Yes.
So if you are going to tour A, you are wrong boat because this boat are going to tour B. So tour B are composed by 5 destinations or 5 different stops. So first, Intalula Island. Intalula Island is the one of the most beautiful beaches here in El Nido. So second one, the Snake Island. Yeah, Snake Island.
But we will see snakes.
They don't have. Yeah. So, and our third stop is my one of the most favorite island. Yeah. They called Kudugnon Cave. Yeah, we're gonna having lunch in Kudugnon. Yes. And our fourth stop will be the Cathedral Cave. Cathedral Cave is only sightseeing and picture taking here in the boat. Yes. And our last stop is a snorkeling area. Yes. So all in all, it's a 5 destination. So El Nido, we have a rules and regulation that we need to follow. First, you are not allowed to throw any kind of garbage into the sea. Second, you are not allowed to collect any kind of marine life like sand, shells, stone, or corals. And the third one is you are not allowed to walk or stand at the corals because sometimes they have a harmful organism like stonefish, sea urchin, and the crown of thorns. So everyone is a good swimmer.
Yeah.
Good swimmer. Good swimmer. 50-50. So if you are not a good swimmer, so good luck everyone. So if you are not a good swimmer, so wear and hold your life jacket all the time. And don't be shy to approach me or our team if you need help. Because we are brothers and sisters here, but a different mother. Yes. So, El Nido, we have original slogan. Take nothing but a photo, leave nothing but a footprint, kill nothing but time, and bring nothing with a good memories. So, thank you very much for your listening and mabuhay. So, we're going first at the Intalula Island. So, approximately 30 to 40 minutes travel. So, enjoy everyone. God bless. Thank you very much.
Kuya, Intalula to?
So welcome here to our first stop, and this is the Intalula Island. So Intalula is the rank number 4 beautiful beaches in whole Asia. So the activity that you can do here is swimming, picture taking, and if you want some relaxing at the beach. So we're gonna stay here like 30 to 40 minutes here. 30 to 40 minuto. Kap, hindi na papasok, Kap?
Tayo doon naman daw. Pagbalik na lang. Ganda. Nagpunta ka na dito dati? Dito. Oh, dun ang ganda. Ha? Ramen food. Oh, ay, may pala doon naman siya. 7-Eleven. Yun ang tayo bili yung mamaya pagbalik na. Medyo. Kahit mamaya na doon tayo, ganda oh. Ha? Tara. Kahit wala ka pala itong mask? Ako na. Ganda. Gusto mo dito? Dito ka na lang eh. Wala masyadong bangka. Ganda. Isara natin ito. Dito. Sarang ko ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Baka lumalom ha. Mahalom eh.
So good morning and welcome here to our second destination, and this is the Cathedral Cave. So the activity that you can do here is picture taking at the boat, right there at the front. Only sightseeing and picture taking. Yes. So 1 by 1, 2 by 2 ID picture if you want some picture at the front. So it's okay. Only sightseeing and picture taking. Okay, if you are ready, you can proceed at the front. We have you need to pay 400 pesos. Yeah. You can share the 400 pesos. I think 26 pesos in one person. In one person, 26 pesos. We're gonna collect the 26 pesos for one person. Because the cabanas, they have a pay. You need to pay 400 pesos.
Yeah. You will collect now?
Are you willing to eat at the beach?
Yes.
Or not? Are you willing, everyone? Willing, sir?
Hey guys, nandito na pala kami sa Kudugnon Cave. So yung view guys. Dito, pasok daw dito. Dito. Lang tayo mo. So, may daan o. Sigantay natin si Kuya. Ang ganda. No, oh. Uy, dilim. Hello. Wala nang daan. Dito lang. Ha? May mga fish? Paikot lang para sila. Wala nang daan din na. Galing, no? Tingnan. Pabalik. Nagbayad pala kami guys ng tag 26 pesos pag dyan kakain sa kapanan. Lunch namin guys.
There is a lot of temples, Manchi Forest, a lot of different things.
Rafting, canyoning.
Oh my god.
Snake Island, approximately 15 minutes travel. Okay, so enjoy.
Thanks.
Nam starting.
Yeah.
And he said he had got a regular fee. It's all like me. He was uncomfortable. Very long flight. So he convinced me to pay $250.
So welcome here to our second to the last. And this is the Snake Island.
Oh.
Yes. So they call the Snake Island is not because too much snake.
Yeah.
They call the Snake Island because the sandbar looks like an snake. Yes. So if you want to go at the view deck, they have a view deck right there.
Okay.
So you can follow me if you want. So don't forget to bring your flip-flops, aqua shoes, and camera also.
What is it?
Snake Island.
Ice cream, ice cream.
The view deck. View deck.
View deck.
Yeah,
View
view
deck.
deck.
Kami guys sa Snake Island. Kapag low tide, makikita mo yung sandbar dito. Oo, yung ship ng snake. Pero mainit. Kasi kapasok mo.
Apa? to our last stop, and this is the Pupulkan Island. So the activity that you can do here is a snorkeling. You can do snorkeling around here. Don't go far. So for those not good swimmer, life jackets on. So we're gonna stay here 30 minutes. So if you are lucky here, you see a turtle here. Yeah, but if you are not lucky, you see a shark. Yes. But nothing to worry. The shark here is a vegetarian. And friendly also. Friendly. Good morning for tomorrow. Yes, so good afternoon everyone, and this is the end of our tour, and I hope that you are enjoy.
Yes.
So everyone are enjoy?
Yes.
Everyone are happy?
Yes.
Yes. So in behalf of our team, the Sensi Boat, in behalf of our company, the Dos Hermanos Travel and Tours, I would like to say thank you for being a part of El Nido Adventure. So for the ladies, you are not allowed to walk in town by bikini, only at the beach, because they have a Catholic church in town, and there's a lot of children walking at the street. So for the boys, you can do it. So the mask and snorkel that you rent or borrow in my company, just bring it. The lady are waiting at you at the beach. Yes. So once again, thank you, take care, and always love the Philippines. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Tama ka? Tama ka? Ha? Uy ka na doon! Uy ka na doon! Guys, update lang, nandito na pala kami sa accommodation namin, and 5 PM na natapos yung tour. Late na kasi late na rin kami nag-start, 10 AM. So yung hindi lang namin napuntahan kanina is yung Papaya Island, and yung pinalit is Pupulkan Island. So doon kami nag-snorkeling. So yung tour B, chill lang siya, hindi naman sobrang nakakapagod, and ang ganda rin ng mga destinations na napuntahan namin today. For me, mas bet namin yung tour A tsaka C. Yun lang, for us lang naman. Pero, we recommend din na i-try nyo rin yung tour B, kasi maganda rin yung island. Yun lang guys, tomorrow, paggahin na kami pa Puerto Princesa. Tapos, babalik na rin kami pa Manila. So, yun lang guys, for El Nido Vlogs. Namin today guys, sa El Nido. Kain. Corned beef and egg. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is our last day here sa El Nido, and December 27, 2024 na ngayon. And mamayang 12 noon, mag-check out na rin kami dito sa Noves kasi babiyahe kami pa Puerto Princesa. So, yung biyahe guys is 6 hours ulit. And flight namin is 11:45 PM ng gabi. So, baka magpababa kami sa SM Puerto para tumambay or diretso na sa airport. Yun guys. So, finally, makakauwi na kami guys. Grabe. Excited na kami umuwi kasi yung pagod namin, grabe. Galing pang Balaba. Kaya, excited na kami umuwi tsaka magpahinga. Yun lang guys. Update ko kayo ulit later. Bye-bye! Lunch ko guys. Waiting na kami sa sa van ay pick up kami. Yan, tara guys, kain. Kain guys. Dinner namin guys.
Okay.
Ito na kami guys sa airport ng Puerto Princesa. Kantay na lang kami sa tapos mag-board. Hi guys, update lang. Nakauwi na pala kami ng bahay. So, 3 AM kami ng madaling araw nakadating. And nagpalipas pala kami ng oras sa SM Puerto kasi 11 PM yung flight namin pa Manila. And kikwento ko rin pala sa inyo guys yung experience namin papuntang Puerto Princesa. So, yung nasakyan naming van, ang daming stopover and pick up and drop off along the way. So, bale, hindi purong joiners lang kami sa loob ng van. Nag-pick up pa ng pasahero yung van. Kaya medyo natagalan din yung biyahe namin. Tapos, naabala din kami kasi natikitan din yung van driver ng police. I'm not sure why. Na-confirm ko lang nung binaba kami ng van driver sa may tricyclean, medyo malapit sa airport. So, hindi kami hinatid sa loob ng airport. Ang reason ng driver sa amin nun kasi nag-aantay na daw yung mga passenger niya na ihahatid niya sa El Nido. So, ending, nag-tricycle kami guys papuntang SM Puerto. Tapos yung ibang mga kasama namin ng foreigner, nag-tricycle din sila papuntang airport. So, nagulat din yung iba medyo nainis kasi hindi hinatid sa loob and gumastos din kami. Ayun. So, chinika ko yun guys sa tricycle driver. Tapos, ang sabi, unregistered daw. So, parang wala silang tawag din, parang yung license to travel pa El Nido. Ayun. So, ang sabi ng tricycle driver, baka daw na short ng van yung travel and tours. Kaya no choice sila kumuha ng mga unregistered van. Kaya ganon yung naging experience namin. Yun lang guys. Medyo naging hassle yung travel namin pa Puerto Princesa. Kasi ang daming ganap. Hindi dire-diretso yung biyahe, ang daming stopover. But overall, safe naman kami nakarating sa Puerto Princesa, kaya okay na yun. Yun lang guys. Kung may questions kayo, feel free to comment. And follow nyo ako guys sa Instagram ko. Yun lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye-bye.